I'm Gina Hughes, and I'm with the Atlanta Symphony Orchestra. I'll be talking to you about the parts of the flute and how to assemble the flute. This here is the head joint. This is the lip plate, and the hole is called the tone hole. This is the crown of your flute, which you always want to leave alone. To assemble the head joint to the body, twist on so that you do not hurt your flute and change the shape of the bore. Align the tone hole with the keys. You can angle your flute this way so you can see that everything is nice and straight. You can also angle it this way and see that everything matches up nicely. If you want to, you can take a dab of nail polish and place a dot on your head joint and a dot on your body so that you can match those points up the same every single time. Lastly, you take your foot joint and make sure that as you're assembling your flute, you have your hand positioned on the body and not on the keys so that you don't bend your keys. Same goes up here. Keep your hand here. And twist to attach. Line up the rod of your foot joint with the center of your keys. And that's how you assemble your flute.